First we want to turn the camera up this way so that we can thread the cable through the side hole here so that our adapter plate can fit snugly against the base. Face the nuts out, and then we'll use the included screws to attach it to the base. A hex key will be included to secure the screws. These holes here are for attaching the tripod. You can see the annunciator speaker here. And under this panel, if you use a Phillips head screwdriver, we can access the physical reset button as well as the SD card slot. The position we see the camera in here is good for a wall mount, but what if you need to mount it on a ceiling? Using a T20 Torx screw, we can adjust these angles here. This screw here adjusts the rotation of the camera head from the base. This adjusts the tilt. And this as well adjusts rotation about the tilt. When you're ready to mount the camera on the tripod, you first need to remove the tripod mounting plate. Most tripods in the video industry have a mounting plate of some sort. You'll see a screw head like this. You need to turn it over, flip this up, and then match this up with the screw hole on the bottom of the adapter plate and twist to tighten. Now this is ready to attach to the tripod.